Now let's see images formed by concave mirror. Images formed by concave mirror. Concave mirror साठी दोनच पोझिशन आहेत, एक ॲट इन्फिनिटी अँड बिटवीन इन्फिनिटी अँड पोल. दोनच पोझिशन आहेत. कॉन्व्हेक्स मिरर, सॉरी कॉन्केव मिररसाठी नाही, आता आपण बघतोय कॉन्व्हेक्स मिरर. कॉन्व्हेक्स मिररसाठी दोनच पोझिशन आहेत. त्यामध्ये आता हा प्रिन्सिपल ॲक्सिस, प्रिन्सिपल ॲक्सिस, वन ऑब्जेक्ट ॲट इन्फिनिटी, ऑब्जेक्ट ॲट इन्फिनिटी. This is convex mirror, pole of the convex mirror, focus and center of curvature. नेहमी लक्षात ठेवायचं, पोल, फोकस आणि सेंटर ऑफ कर्वेचर ह्यामध्ये 3-3 सेंटीमीटरचं डिस्टन्स असलं पाहिजे. त्या इन्फिनिटीहून असलेल्या ऑब्जेक्टपासून रेज आले तर रेज हे कॉन्वर्ज होत नाहीत, तर रिफ्लेक्ट होतात. रिफ्लेक्ट होताना कसे होतात ते सेंटर ऑफ लाईनमधून, सेंटर ऑफ मिरर, सेंटर ऑफ कर्वेचर ऑफ मिररमधून जाणारी जी लाईन आहे त्या लाईनशी केलेले दोन्ही अँगल कसे सेम असायला पाहिजेत. हे सेम अँगलमुळं हा रिफ्लेक्ट झालेला रे इकडे गेला, तो बॅकवर्ड प्रोड्यूस केला तर फोकसमधून जातो. तसंच इथला हा रिफ्लेक्ट झालेला रे बॅकवर्ड प्रोड्यूस केला तर कुठून जातो, फोकसमधून जातो. म्हणजे फोकस पाशी रेज मीट होतात आणि इमेज फॉर्ममध्ये फोकसला इमेज, इमेज ॲट फोकस एफ. आणि इमेजचा साईज काय आहे तर हायली डिमिनिश्ड पॉईंट इमेज. ही इमेज कशी आहे, पॉईंट इमेज. अँड द नेचर इज virtual and erect. This image form is virtual and erect. Now if we keep the object between infinity and object, between infinity and pole, between infinity and pole, तर इथं ऑब्जेक्ट इन्फिनिटी अँड पोल म्हणजे इथं समजा ऑब्जेक्ट ठेवला तर ह्या ऑब्जेक्टपासून निघालेले रेज एक अलॉंग प्रिन्सिपल ॲक्सिस, दॅट इज पॅरलल टू प्रिन्सिपल ॲक्सिस. आफ्टर रिफ्लेक्शन इट passes through focus. After reflection it appears to originate from focus. Now second ray incident at pole, it reflects at the same angle of incidence. Now if we produce it backwards, both the rays appear to meet at this point. Now here the image is formed. AB object, A dash, B dash is the image. Now you keep the object anywhere here, the image is always formed between pole and focus, and it is always diminished and it is virtual and erect. Image between P and F, between P and F, the image is diminished. Image is diminished and image is always virtual and erect. That means for convex mirror there are only two types of mirror images are formed. Now let's see new Cartesian sign convention to draw these diagrams. बघा, हे झाले कॉन्व्हेक्स मिररसाठीच्या दोन टाईपचे इमेजेस, फक्त दोनच पोझिशन आहेत, दुसऱ्या कुठल्याही नाहीत. त्यानंतर न्यू कार्टेशियन साइन कन्व्हेन्शन. to draw the images formed by concave mirror or convex mirror. Now, whatever the distances measured are for concave mirror or convex mirror. This is concave mirror and this is convex mirror. The distances measured, all the distances are measured from pole of the mirror. First, all the distances are measured from pole of spherical mirror. All the distances are measured from pole of the mirror. Then all the distances are measured from pole of the spherical mirror. Second, distances measured to the right are positive. Distances measured to the right are positive. The right of pole are positive. And third, distances measured to the left are negative. Left of pole are negative. Fourth, distances measured upward from principal axis are positive. Distances measured upward are positive. Right? Distances measured downward from principal axis are negative. Downward measured distances are negative. Now here always remember, u is object distance, that is distance of object from pole. This is always negative. V is image distance measured from pole, may be positive or negative. And F is focal length. Focal length of spherical mirror. Focal length of spherical mirror may be positive for convex lens and negative for concave lens, concave mirror, sorry, mirror. Positive for convex mirror and negative for concave mirror. Now these are new Cartesian sign conventions. According to this, we have to measure the distances. Now h is object height, which is always positive. And h dash is image height, positive for virtual erect image, and negative for real inverted image. Always remember this. Image height is positive for virtual erect image, negative for real inverted image. These are new Cartesian sign conventions. According to this, we have to solve the questions. Now, magnification of the lens, magnification of the mirror. That is, magnification means image, ratio of image height to object height. Now, mirror formula. Between object distance, image distance, and 1 upon V plus 1 upon U is equal to 1 upon F. Then magnification. Magnification is denoted by M, is image height ratio of magnification is ratio of image height to object height. It is also ratio of image distance upon object distance. But here is negative sign for this, negative of image height upon object height. That is, M is equal to minus H dash upon H, or H dash upon H, that is equal to minus V upon U. Okay, आपण थांबूयात इथे.